Last lecture, 2 points are covered: detection of ultrasonic waves and applications of ultrasonic waves. Okay, we know that there are four methods used for the detection of ultrasonic waves. Anyone will tell? Four method detection of ultrasonic waves. There are four methods used for the detection of ultrasonic waves. What is first method?
Sensitive flame method.
Okay, sensitive flame method. In short, explain it. कौन सा होता है? What is second method?
Kunz tube method.
Cones tube method. What is third one?
Thermal detector method.
Thermal detector.
Thermal detector. And last one is the
Piezoelectric
Piezoelectric.
method.
piezoelectric detector. Okay, there are two methods used for the production of ultrasonic waves. Which are the two methods?
Magnetostriction
Magnetostrict
effect.
method and
Piezo.
piezoelectric effect.
Piezoelectric effect, magnetostriction effect, and piezoelectric effect. Then there are properties. What is first property? Properties of ultrasonic waves.
They are highly energetic.
Okay, they are highly energetic. Second one.
The speed of propagation of ultrasonic waves increases with increase in frequency.
Okay, the speed of propagation of ultrasonic waves increases with increase in frequency. Next one.
Due to their
Due to
small
their small wavelength, the diffraction is negligible.
Okay, due to their small wavelength, diffraction is negligible. Next.
hence
Hence, they
they
can transmit it over long distance without any appreciable loss of energy.
Okay, next one. Ubale.
It has a disruptive effect in liquids by causing bubbles to be formed.
Okay, it has a disruptive effect in liquid by causing bubbles to be formed. And last one is last property.
using ultrasonic waves, acoustic grating can be formed in a liquid.
Okay, using acoustic waves, ultrasonic rating can be formed. Okay. These are the properties of ultrasonic waves, and what are the applications? What is first?
Detection
Huh.
detection of flaws in metal.
Okay, detection of flaws in metal. Second one, don't other new one.
Sonar.
Sonar.
Sonar means
Sonar.
sound navigation and ranging. Okay, sonar. Third.
To measure
Depth
the
of
depth
sea.
of sea.
Okay, depth of sea. Next, other new one.
In medical applications.
Okay, new one. Name कोणीतरी.
First one, echocardiography.
Okay, and second, these are the medical applications. Second medical
Ultrasonography.
ultrasonography and to break the kidney stones. Okay, then last one is mechanical application. Last one. Will tell.
Break the kidney stone.
Okay, break the kidney stones, and one more application is remaining. Which one is remaining?
Ultrasonic drilling and cutting.
Okay, ultrasonic drilling and cutting. Okay, these are the applications of ultrasonic waves. Now, MCQs. Right, first MCQ, first multiple choice question. Write it. Sabine's formula is. Anyone? What is Sabine's formula?
Is
Which
equal
MC?
to 0.165 V divided by A or
Okay.
summation AS.
Okay. So here in four options are here. Which option is correct?
All of these.
All of these. Okay, means T is equal to, what is the first option is T is equal to K into V by A. K means constant of proportionality. T is equal to written T is equal to T is equal to K into V by A. T is equal to K is the constant of proportionality. Okay. T is equal to K is the constant of proportionality V by A. किंवा K ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली. K ची व्हॅल्यू आपण काय टाकली 0. 165
165
V by A, or K is equal to K into V upon summation of
summation AS.
A into S. Okay, these are the options. Means first all of these are correct. This is first one. Write it. Sabine's formula is first write it. T is equal to K into V by A. K into V by A. K into V by A first. Second, T is equal to this first. K into V upon summation of A into S. Here a value of A is kept here, summation of A into S. And third one, T is equal to K into V dividing by A1 into S1 plus A2 into S2 plus A2 into S3, etc. up to AN into Sn. Okay, means all of these option is correct. ठीक है. The audible range, first option is written. MCQ number
20
2.
hertz to 20 kilohertz.
Write it. Everyone write it. The audible range of frequency is कुठून कुठपर्यंत आहे?
Sir,
20
20 hertz to 20 kilohertz.
Okay, 20
C.
hertz to 20 kilohertz. Right, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Okay, this is the audible range of frequencies, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Then write third one, magnetostriction method. Third MCQ, magnetostriction method is used. Magnetostriction method is used to produce. Magnetostriction method is used to produce ultrasonic waves of frequency
20
20
kilohertz to 100
kilohertz to
kilohertz.
200
okay, 20 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz. K small here, kilo से K small आता है. 20 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz. Right? 20 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz. Capital K म्हणजे केल्विन असतं आहे, स्मॉल केल म्हणजे किलो असतं आहे. ठीक आहे. 20 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz. This is third MCQ. Then fourth, third is written. तिसरं लिहिले का सगळ्यांनी? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The rod used in magnetostriction method. The rod used in magnetostriction method for the production of ultrasonic waves. The rod used in magnetostriction method for the production of ultrasonic wave is made up of
Nickel.
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 कुठले ऑप्शन आहे तो? आयर्न अँड फेरोमॅग्नेटिक
Iron.
मटेरियल. फेरोमॅग्नेटिक
Iron, cobalt, nickel.
ओके, फेरोमॅग्नेटिक मटेरियल. फेरोमॅग्नेटिक मटेरियल मध्ये जे येतात ते घ्यायचे आहेत आपल्याला. ओके, फेरो आयर्न, निकेल, कोबाल्ट एटसेट्रा. These are the, write it. Nickel, option is nickel. The rod used in magnetostriction method for the production of ultrasonic waves is made up of nickel. NiCKLE, nickel. The next, fourth of fifth, if F is the frequency of ultrasonic wave current, alternating current, F is the frequency of alternating current supplied to a coil. F is the frequency of alternating current supplied to a coil producing magnetic field. Then the rod kept in magnetic field. Once again, F is the frequency of alternating current supplied to a coil producing magnetic field. Then the rod kept in magnetic field vibrates with the frequency
2F.
vibrates with the frequency 2F. Okay, vibrates with the frequency 2f. Right answer 2f. Vibrates with the frequency 2f. Right, next sixth MCQ. Sixth one. To find the depth of sea by sonar technique. To find the depth of sea. To find depth of sea by sonar technique. Dash dash waves are used.
Ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic.
Which waves
Ultrasonic.
are used? Ultrasonic. Which option is correct?
Option
Option
C.
C.
Option C. Okay, ultrasonic. Write it. Answer is ultrasonic. To find the depth of sea by sonar technique, ultrasonic waves are used. Okay. And seventh one. Reverberation time is T is equal to, T is proportional to, T is directly proportional to V. It is inversely proportional to the total absorption.
V by
T is reverberation time. T is dash dash
Directly.
of volume.
Directly proportional
Okay,
volume of
directly proportional. Let it directly proportional to volume of the hall. Reverberation time T is directly proportional to volume of the hall. For example, write this equation. T is directly proportional to V and it is inversely proportional to total absorption. Next, eighth. To have good sound effect, to have good sound effect inside a hall, to have good sound effect inside a hall. What is reverberation time? कसा पाहिजे reverberation time?
Optimum.
optimum.
Okay, first option is
Optimum.
large.
Option D.
लार्ज आहे. सेकंड मध्ये 0 आहे. थर्ड मध्ये hall should not have any sound absorbing material. Also wrong. And last one is reverberation time is optimum. The optimum is correct. The reverberation time is optimum. The option D is correct. Write it. To have a good sound effect inside a hall, the reverberation time has to be optimum. The reverberation time has to be optimum. Written. झालं का लिहून सगळ्यांचं? Can I take next?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Optimum reverberation time for music. Write it. Optimum
1 to 2
reverberation time
seconds.
for music is, option C is correct, 1 to 2 seconds. 1 to 2 seconds. Optimum reverberation time for music is, right option, 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, right? 10th one. Optimum reverberation time for speech. Speech साठी किती आहे?
0.5 to 1.
Okay, 0.5 to 1 second. If it 0.5, answer is 0.5 to 1 second. Okay, 0.5 to 1 second. This optimum reverberation time to listen a speech or for speech is 0.5 to 1 second, and for music is 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, over. झाले का 10 पहिले लिहून?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, write it. 11th one. 11th. Ultrasonic waves have frequency. Ultrasonic waves have frequency. पहिला ऑप्शन आहे
Above audible
ऑडिएबल
frequency.
रेंज. ऑडिएबल रेंज. दूसरा आहे अबव द ऑडिएबल रेंज.
Above the audible.
तिसरा बिलो द ऑडिएबल रेंज. बिलो एज वेल एज अबव द ऑडिएबल रेंज. कुठला ऑप्शन करेक्ट असणार आहे?
B.
Option D, sir.
बी.
Above the audible range.
Okay, above the audible range. Right, next 12th. Ultrasonic waves are produced. Ultrasonic waves are produced by utilizing
Piezoelectric effect.
Piezoelectric effect.
piezoelectric effect, right everyone? Ultrasonic waves are produced by utilizing, first आहे piezoelectric effect, and हे नाही बरोबर, हे पण नाही आणि हे पण नाही, मॅग्नेटो ऑप्टिक म्हणलं आहे. ऑप्टिक इफेक्ट अजून सिमिलर तयार करू शकतो आपण. हां, कसं करणार? अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्ज आर प्रोड्युस्ड बाय युटिलायझिंग, हां इथं लिहिलं आपण पिझोइलेक्ट्रिकच्या ऐवजी काय लिहिलं?
Magnetostriction effect.
मॅग्नेटो स्ट्रिक्शन इफेक्ट. ओके, मॅग्नेटो स्ट्रिक्शन इफेक्ट. हे दोन MCQ होऊ शकतात इथं, पिझोइलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट आणि मॅग्नेटो स्ट्रिक्शन इफेक्ट. ओके, the next 13, ultrasonic waves produced in a medium can be detected by
Kunz tube.
Kunz tube. The ultrasonic waves, right everyone? First, ultrasonic waves produced in a medium can be detected by ultrasonic waves produced in a medium can be detected by ultrasonic waves are produced in a medium can be detected by which option is correct? Kunz
B
tube.
option.
अजून दुसरे पण कसे होऊ शकतात इथं कुंज ट्यूबच्या ऐवजी? हां, कुठला ऑप्शन असू शकतोय? दुसरी मेथड कुठली आहे?
Sensitive flame method.
सेन्सिटिव्ह फ्लेम मेथड,
डिटेक्टर मेथड.
थर्मल डिटेक्टर मेथड आणि नेक्स्ट
Piezoelectric method.
piezoelectric method. Okay, then next, the waves used in sonography are
Ultrasonic wave.
the ultrasonic waves. Write it. Waves used in sonography are ultrasonic waves. Option is, which option is correct?
Option D.
Option D.
Option D. लिहा, प्रत्येकाने लिहिले का बघा. The waves used in sonography are ultrasonic waves. Okay, next 15 number, the persistence of audible sound, the persistence of audible sound after the source has stopped to emit sound, the persistence of audible sound after the source has stopped to emit sound is known as
Reverberation.
reverberation. Okay, reverberation.
Reverberation.
And the time duration for which sound persists is called as
Reverberation time.
Vibration time.
time. Okay, then next 15 is over, then 16th write it. The time taken by sound, the time taken by sound to fall to, everyone please write it, the time taken by sound to fall to 1/millionth of its 1/millionth of its intensity, 1/millionth of its intensity just before the source is cut off, just before the source is cut off is known as which time? Reverberation time.
Reverberation.
Okay, reverberation time. Right answer is reverberation time. Once again, the time taken by sound to fall to 1/millionth of its intensity just before the source is cut off is known as reverberation time. Yeah, write it, reverberation time. Next, the absorption coefficient is measured in, what is unit of absorption coefficient? Which unit is there?
Open window unit.
Open window unit. Okay, absorption coefficient is measured in unit open window unit, OWU. Next, sonar stands for
Sound navigation and range.
sound navigation and ranging.
Ranging.
सोलार पण दिसतंय बघा.
ऑप्शन ए.
सो एक दिसते काहीतरी. ऑप्शन कुठला करेक्ट आहे? ए
A.
ऑप्शन.
Option A.
साऊंड नेव्हिगेशन एसओचं साऊंडचं एसओ असतं कॅपिटल सोनार मधलं. एसओ झालं, एन आलं इथलं, ए आलं आणि आर आलं. ओके, साऊंड नेव्हिगेशन अँड रेंजिंग. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. Then next, the ultrasonic waves exhibit large diffraction effect, negligible diffraction effect property मधला आहे, very long wavelength and faster speed than sound waves.
Negligible diffraction effect.
Negligible
Negligible
diffraction effect.
diffraction effect.
Option B.
Option B is correct. Ultrasonic waves exhibit negligible diffraction effect. The next 20th, the sound waves with frequency greater than 20 kilohertz, okay, small here, greater than 20 kilohertz
Ultrasonic waves.
are
Ultrasonic wave.
called ultrasonic waves.
Option C.
Okay, the sound waves with frequency greater than 20 kilohertz are called ultrasonic waves. They are called ultrasonic waves. Then up to 20 written. झालं का सगळ्यांचं लिहून? लिहा पटकन.
Yes, sir. आता.
तर साऊंड वेव्स विथ फ्रिक्वेन्सी लिहिताय का नुसतंच म्हणताय मला आता झालं उगाच आपलं?
झाले सर.
लिहिताय ना सगळ्यांनी? चेक कसं करायचं? मी आता हे क्लोज करून एका दुसऱ्याला विचारायला पाहिजे, मग सगळं समजणार मला. ठीक आहे, प्रत्येक
व्हिडिओ ऑन करू शकतो सर.
व्हिडिओ नाही मी विचारणार नाही. पीपीटी क्लोज करून 17 नंबरचं वाचा म्हटलं की
Yes, sir.
ओके, द साऊंड वेव्स एक दोन टेस्टिंग घेऊ आपण शेवटी. द साऊंड वेव्स विथ फ्रिक्वेन्सी ग्रेटर दॅन 20 किलोहर्ट्ज आर कॉल्ड ultrasonic waves. The next 21st, according to Sabine, reverberation time is, मगाचा रिपीट झालाय बघा अजून एकदा, आपण मगाचा सांगितलं होतं. reverberation time T is directly proportional to V
Volume.
and inversely proportional to total absorption.
Volume.
Okay, value. The option A is
Option
correct.
A.
According to Sabine, reverberation time T is directly proportional to volume. आणि ती इन्व्हर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल असेल तर काय येणार हो? डायरेक्टलीच्या ऐवजी चेंज करा.
Surface.
According to Sabine, reverberation time is inversely proportional to what is A?
Surface area.
Total absorption. A is the total